Experiencing a Xumo box that won't turn on or is stuck in a boot loop? Let's troubleshoot. First, ensure your power adapter is the official Xumo 5V 2 ohmet adapter. Third-party adapters are a common cause of failure. Check the power cable is securely connected and try a different wall outlet. If the box still won't power on, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. For boot loops, the Xumo logo repeatedly appears, indicating the OS is failing to load, likely due to corrupted system files. If basic troubleshooting fails, a factory reset can resolve persistent boot loops. Locate the reset pinhole on your Xumo box, typically on the back or bottom. Using a paperclip, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds while the device is powered on. This will erase all user data and restore the Xumo box to its default settings. Ensure you have a stable internet connection post-reset to reinstall firmware. Remember that Xumo is focusing on software app updates, so this might be the only fix for older hardware.